Hey guys, second here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to reset your AirPods Pro with your iPhone, and this is going to be something you want to do if you're having any sort of issues, whether the AirPods are disconnecting, you're having any software issues, or simply you can't hear them, or any sort of software issue that might happen. It's good to do a reset of your AirPods Pro. Now this method will work on your regular AirPods as well, so similar thing you're going to follow as we mentioned in this video. So to do that, first thing you want to do is take your buds and go ahead and put it in the case. So you want to put it in the case and then close the lid. Now once you close the lid, make sure of course your case is charged and the AirPod can actually do this method. So once it's charged, wait about 30 seconds. So you want to wait 30 seconds because you want the case to sync up the buds and make sure that it's recognized and everything. So wait about 30 seconds. Once you wait about 30 seconds, you're going to go ahead and open the lid. Once you open the lid, now we can follow the next step, which is going to be actually seeing that it's connected now. So we're going to go ahead and click that, cancel, and then go into settings. Now once you go into settings, this time you want to go to Bluetooth, and in the Bluetooth you'll notice that your device is connected here. So here, once you see it's connected, you want to go click on that icon here. Now if you don't see it here, that's fine as well, and we're going to show you why that's fine. You'll see that it comes up here with all of this information, and you want to go all the way down and to the step where it says forget this device. You're going to go ahead and click on that and then click on forget device, and now it's completely gone. So it's now unpaired from your iPhone. As you can see here, now it's trying to pair again. Now we won't pair it right away because we want to do the next step. So in this step, if you didn't see it pair up, that's fine because it just means that somehow it disconnected anyways already. Now the next step is go ahead and with the open lid, now you want to go look in the back. You'll notice in the back here that button when you first used to set it up, that button that's really simply flushed against it, you want to go ahead and hold that about 15 seconds. When you press and hold, don't let it go until 50 seconds. You'll notice here on the front, you're going to see that light flash from amber, and then it's going to be white, and then you can let go of that button. So here we're going to go ahead and press it about 15 seconds and just keep on holding it. As you'll notice, it's just going to flash. Just wait till 15 seconds. And as you can see, when it flashes amber, you're going to let go, and then it's going to be again white again, and that means you have done a reset of it. Now you can go ahead and to reconnect, you can simply just close the lid and then open it up again, and it will pop up to reconnect, and then you can hit that connect button, and now you have done a reset of your AirPods Pro. Again, this method will work for the regular AirPods as well, and hopefully any issues that you had goes away with this simple trick. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, please make sure that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.